It is natural for seasons to change, for night and day to interchange, dusk and dawn to separate the two, giving us a signal of which season is to follow from another. It is dark now in America. Thousands are victims of the dark angel. It is midnight now in Italy. Millions are scared of their lives from every angle. South Africa is in a moonless night, an horrific single evening. But the day shall dawn. Yes, the day shall dawn. Quarantine has become the best temporary vaccine thus far, flattening the curve of daily infections. Self-isolation has become the only solution in this reprobative moral dilemma, to keep the infected patients locked down till the sunset come to sunlight and shines on them again. Sadly, some pass away, but few, and some do survive. It is still dark in Africa. It is still dark in Asia. Let's keep safe in these dark valleys of death, where the dead are buried by few. We shall rise up in the morning and remember those who fell in the dark. Cyclones come and go, but also pandemics visit and leave. Night comes once in a while. It separates friends and beloveds, atheists and those who believe. But when the days dawn, darkness cannot comprehend light. Night cannot understand the day. Though in the depth of sorrow in the middle of the night, we all know light is coming. Light is coming. Like in dry seasons, where the leaves are dry, flowers withering, we all know the rain seasons are coming. Like waterless deserts in the middle of lamentation, few succumb to seasons, but we all know the day shall dawn. Oh yes, the day shall dawn, where all rivals of dark times shall be cast down. Time is coming, where the blind, the deaf and the crippled shall be dancing. It is scary in the night. We don't see anything. We only hear of horrific sounds piercing the heart wide. We cry in the dark. We weep, heavily so, stressed, perplexed. But when the sun rises, we smile again. I remember it was in the night of 1920 where many fell. Churches closed, marketplaces stopped operating. Global activities ceased. Is it not normal that at night we stop everything we are doing, eagerly waiting for the dawn, for we surely know it is coming through? Lucky are those with torches at night, for they foresee the humps and the pitches ahead. But during the day we all see, where only the blind trample and injure their head. Let me rest, for the night is fast spent in this torment and fear. Please wake me up in the morning when the sun rises again, when light reaches the roof above elephants. Force me to awaken from the deep sleep, so I shall see the smile of friends I long saw. Lord, awaken me when I refuse to awake, being left in the torment of the night. Let me not be left behind when we all gather again with huge smiles, glad for the light, when we can finally see each other's faces. For surely the day shall dawn. Yes, the day shall dawn.